Hello children, welcome back to our English Mulberry class. I welcome all the students of class 1 once again in this class. Children, today we are going to study chapter 10 of our English Mulberry book. The name of the chapter is The Kite and the Kitten. Today I am going to read the chapter for you and explain the story. Let's start reading the chapter and understanding it. Chapter 10 The Kite and the Kitten. Children, you can repeat after me. Chapter 10 The Kite and the Kitten. Ria flies a big blue kite in a park. It is her favorite kite. She watches it fly, swish, swoosh. The kite gets stuck on the branch of a tree. She stands on her toes. She cannot reach the branch. She throws a stone at the kite. The kite is still on the tree. She throws a stick at the kite. The kite is still on the tree. Ria is sad. She sits under the tree. She closes her eyes. Someone licks her feet. A little paw tickles her hand. She hears a sound. Meow, meow. She opens her eyes. It is her kitten. The little kitten has the blue kite in its mouth. Children, this story is about a girl named Ria and her big blue kite which she flies in a park, and her little kitten. As you can see in the picture given on the screen, Ria is flying a big blue kite in a park. She loves flying kites. And this big blue kite is her favorite kite. She watches it fly. Swish, swoosh. Children, this is the sound a kite makes when it flies. When the kite is flying, it gets stuck on the branch of a tree. She stands on her toes. Children, when the kite gets stuck on the branch of a tree, Ria tries to take out the kite from the branch of a tree In order to get the kite out of the tree, she stands on her toes. But because Ria is small, she cannot reach the branch. She thinks of a trick. She throws a stone at the kite. Ria thinks when she will throw a stone at the kite will fall down. But the kite is still on the tree. Then she throws a stick at the kite. The kite is still on the tree. Ria is sad. She sits under the tree. She closes her eyes. Then someone licks her feet. Just when Ria sits under the tree, she feels somebody licks her feet. When Ria feels somebody is licking her feet, a little paw tickles her hand. She feels somebody is tickling her hand. She hears a sound, meow, meow. When Ria hears the sound meow, meow, she opens her eyes. It is her kitten. The little kitten has the blue kite in its mouth. Thank you, my friend, says Ria. She picks up the kitten gently. When Ria sees the little kitten has brought the big blue kite for Ria, she says thank you to the little kitten. She picks up the kitten gently. She takes her home and gives her a bowl of milk. The kitten is happy to have the milk. Ria is happy to have her blue kite. When Ria gets the kite, she picks up the kitten gently. She takes her home and as a reward, she gives the kitten a bowl of milk. The kitten is happy to have the milk and Ria is happy to have her blue kite. So children, I hope you have understood the story. I will give you explanation in Hindi also. This story is about Ria. ये story Ria की है. She loves to fly kites. उसे kites fly करना बहुत पसंद है. One day she goes to fly the kite in a park. एक दिन रिया जाती है. She has a big blue kite. ठीक है? वो अपनी big blue kite fly करती है. But वो big blue kite एक ट्री के ब्रांच पे स्टक हो जाती है. स्टक का मतलब है अटक जाती है. She throws a stone. वो एक स्टोन थ्रो करती है ब्रांच पे so that the kite falls down. लेकिन स्टोन थ्रो करने से भी वो काइट फॉल नहीं करती. फिर वो स्टिक फेंकती है. स्टिक थ्रो करने से भी काइट नीचे नहीं आती है. देन शी बिकम्स सैड एंड सिट्स अंडर द ट्री. फिर वो सैड हो जाती है और वो ट्री के नीचे बैठ जाती है. जस्ट देन शी फील्स समबडी इज लिकिंग हर हैंड. तभी उसे लगता है कोई उसके हैंड को लिक कर रहा है. दिस इज हर लिटिल किटन. रिया की लिटिल किटन रिया के हैंड को लिक कर रही है. एंड शी हैज हर बिग ब्लू काइट. रिया की किटन ने रिया को सैड देखा और उसकी बिग ब्लू काइट को ले आई. फिर रिया कहती है थैंक यू माई फ्रेंड. रिया सेज थैंक यू माई फ्रेंड. वो किटन को उठाती है, she takes her home and as a reward gives her a bowl of milk. और क्योंकि किटन ने रिया के लिए वो बिग ब्लू काइट लेके आई थी, रिया उसे अपने घर ले जाती है और उसे रिवॉर्ड की तरह एक बोल ऑफ मिल्क देती है. एंड किटन इज हैप्पी टू हैव द मिल्क. किटन को मिल्क मिलता है, किटन इज हैप्पी एंड रिया इज हैप्पी टू हैव अ ब्लू काइट. और रिया को अपनी ब्लू काइट मिल जाती है, सो शी इज ऑल्सो हैप्पी. सो दिस इज द समरी ऑफ द स्टोरी. I hope all of you have understood this well. Children, your homework is read the chapter 2 times, learn the difficult words. We'll be meeting very soon with the next video, and in it we will be discussing the exercise related to the chapter. Thank you all of you for listening. Study well and stay safe at your home.